A lot of people ask me how to make money with low banks, so that's why today I decided to explain what to start with and how much money you can make on this. So I will tell you a couple of ways how to earn money with low bank. Guys, stay tuned. My name is Danny. This is Billionaire Crypto Club. Let's go. The first way of making money with low banks is gonna be definitely flipping boxes on Binance. This is Binance, it's European Binance, this is not Binance US. An easy way to do this is just sign up from my link, and also you could buy this account, verified Binance account, on OTC chats, and basically it's not that much. It's literally costs you like $30-40. So this is not a problem. Everybody could do this. And if you want to know more about OTC chats, I will definitely make a video in the future and explain you more about it, all the abilities and what you could do there. So on Binance, it's pretty easy to buy NFT boxes. So basically they drop every day they have a new sale, and as you could see, the price is definitely not that high. But before you do anything here, you gotta make sure that the project is actually good and you could make money there, because projects like this that list right now, as you could see, it's a lot of NFTs, 16,500 for 30 BUSD. They might not sell out, and you could definitely sell them for less than what you bought it for. So you might sell it for like $5 after you buy it for 30. Please be careful on that and make sure do your own research on every project and go into this. And there were literally cases when people bought, there was a project with horses, and they were selling for $10 each, and people made literally $5,000-10,000 from selling one horse, depends on the rarity. As you could see, it's a huge potential, and the only thing, if you buy it here, it's very important to sell it right away. So after you bought it, you gotta sell it right away on the market, so you have a chance to make money here. Also, before it was really hard, you weren't able to buy anything here without using a bot, because literally every second, like the second it comes out, 2 seconds later it's sold out. On a good project it's always like this, but right now Binance finally fixed it, so you have to do the captcha before you buy the box, so you have more chances. Sometimes they do, but right now Binance finally fixed it, and right now basically you have a queue. If you stay in the queue and you have a chance to get the allocation, so if you do get an allocation, you could buy this, and it's a lot easier. They made this better for people so they don't have to fight with bots, because before it was impossible to do anything here. So this is a good way, but we will continue to another one. So the second way is gonna be whitelist. So what you're gonna need to do here, it's a forum on Gleam. For basically a lot of projects list, you could get a whitelist to token sale on really cool launchpads such as DAO Maker, Red Kite, and things like this. So basically you're gonna have to abuse it a lot. You're gonna have to complete those entries. Doesn't take that much, but definitely worth it, because in the future, if you get a whitelist here, you could literally make a lot of money. Because I'm just gonna provide it here so I could show you guys what that is. After we provide it here, you see that it unlocks, so you do everything here, and also you're gonna have to invite people. So the more invites, the more entries over here you get, the more chance you have to get the whitelist. But you could abuse it and create many accounts and do the invite to all of your accounts and get the whitelist there. So basically you get the allocation, for example, for $50, and if you get allocation on a good launchpad such as DAO Maker or Red Kite and things like this, you will definitely make like 20 or 30x, because all the projects there make at least 10-15, but it's a good chance that you will make up to like 50x there. So imagine from $50 you get from 50 you get $1,000. This is insane. From 50 you get 1,000. And also the same thing works for the NFTs whitelist, but for NFT whitelist you will have to go on the project itself. For NFT projects, you basically gonna need Discord, where you're gonna have to be active again, because you're gonna need to level up there, and if they see that you're active, you have a chance to win the whitelist. Also you're gonna have to create memes and write posts, because that's gonna improve the chance of getting the whitelist. But after you get the whitelist, you either could use the chance and mint the NFT or buy the token sale and make $1,000, or to secure your deposit and make sure that you get at least some money if you don't have money to put into this and you're scared that the project is not gonna be good. You could sell this whitelist also that on the OTC chat, which I will tell you more about in the next videos. But you could sell it there, and if it's a good project, you could sell it for $500, $1,000. This project right now that launched on the NFT project called C-01. Right now, people are ready to buy the whitelist for $30,000, and nobody wants to sell it. If you got a chance to win this, imagine you just abuse it and you be active on social media, and you win the whitelist. You sell it for 30,000. Basically, you spend some time, but I think it's worth it for $30,000. Why not? Definitely a good bet on this. This is a good way to do whitelist and win it too. So we're gonna move on to the third one. Third way of making money is definitely games, NFT games. NFT games is a play to earn. So basically right here you play and then you get something like, I will show you here. When we go to the profile, so basically you get skins for guns, you get Orbeez. On this game it's called Orbeez, which later on they already announced that you will be able to buy land for this. After you buy the land, you basically could probably sell it later on the market, but skins for the guns, you could sell it on the market right now that costs like $5 for gun, which is not bad. You just play and enjoy your time while just like enjoying time, you making money. So I think this is a good way. And later on, after the season ends in 46 days, I'm pretty sure they will definitely do something where you'll be able to make $5,000-$10,000, because all the games, the tokenomics is really good, and the creators of the games are really good people, and they do airdrops sometimes. So this is definitely a good way to earn money here without putting a lot, because all the games right now are free, and all you're gonna need to do is just spend some time playing this game. Like I spend an hour or two a day to play a game and win those tiers, so later on I could sell them or I will get something instead of that. And 2-3 thousand is not gonna be extra, definitely. Who's gonna say no to extra money? So this is a good way. Games definitely a good bet. So please, also, if you want to do this, do it. And slowly we're gonna move on to the best part of the video, where I could think you could make the most money. So this is the token sale. This is Huobi. Also for the Europe, you're not gonna be able to do this in US, but again, OTC chats where you could buy this account for $30-$40 and you're gonna be happy. I'm using VPN for everything since I'm in the US right now. I'm using VPN to log in and look at the projects, but this is the project that's coming up right now. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. This is Gary sale. So basically all you're gonna need to do to win the whitelist and to have a chance, not even the whitelist, to have a chance to buy this token, is basically you're gonna have to hold the HT token, or you could do the swaps. So basically you're gonna have to do the swap volume of 1400 a day, or for the 7 days you have to swap 200 in volume, $200. And later on you will have allocation for $50, or if you're holding the HT token, you'll have the allocation up to 2000 USDT. So you'll have a chance to win $50 allocation, or if you're holding HT, you'll be able to get an allocation up to 2000. But the allocation is not for everybody. That's not 100%. You will also have a chance. So basically you're gonna be in the queue on the date of the pre-sale, and if you're lucky enough, you'll get a ticket that's gonna let you buy the allocation for $50, which is really good. And right now this project is gonna launch, and I think it's gonna give you at least 20-30 access. So from $50 you'll be able to make at least 1,000. You have 4 days to do this, which is really good. All you're gonna need to do is verify your identity. So basically you'll need a KYC, and as I said, you'll have to do the volume. It's 14,000 a day or 200 for 7 days in a row. This is the best project because with low banks, you just getting the allocation for $50 and flipping this into 1,000. Sometimes guys, those projects go crazy and you get you get 100x's, and from $50 you'll make 5,000. Who's gonna say no to this? Obviously everybody want it, and I think this is the best option, which I always do with every project I go in, and I'm lucky enough sometimes to get the allocation. As I said, guys, please do it, because this is a very good chance to raise your bank. And for low banks, this is very important because the allocation is not high, and you have a great chance. Right now you have a great chance because not that many people go into that, but if you do, the first people who go in, the first people make the most money, because later on when it becomes mainstream and everybody is going into this, it's going to be insane and it's going to be so hard to get the allocation. So right now, while you have the chance, do it. Don't miss the opportunity. Was pretty much it for today. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to follow our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Billionaire Crypto Club was with you today, and see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.